Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I like to introduce you my brand new paper collection. Stay tuned. So, oh, do you like what you see already? It's so sweet. Okay guys, so as you can see, Lovely Sweetheart is the title of my new paper collection, and oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I just love it. Okay, so first of all, of course, I have 78 sheets in total for one paper pack. It's huge, yes, I know, but I still love it because I love to use many designs, many papers. So you get 12 double-sided papers in one set, plus one extra for the back of the cover. So each set is 13 sheets. So let me show you it all. Okay guys, so after a cold winter, I was definitely in the mood for some sweetness. So I wanted some bright colors, I wanted some happiness, I want to have some, well, most of all, nice bright colors, and I want to have some pink, but not only pink, and I decided to also add this nicely blue mint color, and I absolutely love it. But let's dig in. So Lovely Sweetheart, it's the title, and the cover already is you can use these as well, like this candy store or bakery store, I don't know, I think mostly it's for cake. You can cut it out and use it on a card, same as this nice clock. I love it because of the color, it matches perfectly with my papers. And this bow, you also can cut it out many times, as well as the title with these little nice hearts. You still can use this, but most of all, it's for the back. The back, you still can use it. So I have a nice cream color background, and this beige gray little heart. I really like the grungy edges and everything. So that is the back of the cover. And then we have this beautiful cut apart page with 4 big tags, cards, whatever you're gonna use it for. I just fell in love with this super cute girl. I call this, it's 60s, I don't know. Love it, and the color matches perfect. And I added some pink border with the hearts around it. Love it. And then you have another candy store with some balloons, and I love these 2 mouses. They are so adorable. So I added some pink and blue flowers here at the bottom, so it matches perfectly with all the colors that I use in the papers. Then of course a nice bicycle with a nice bike basket in front of with the pink roses, and then this one is one of my favorite one. Love is in the air, but all these details, I just love it. Can you imagine if you make a nice card with these? Oh, love it. And then of course I added some words: happiness, romance, kisses, love, my heart, sweetness. So it matches with all kind of events when you're making your cards or albums or mini folios or folios. So it's very easy to use, and I love these edges as well. Super cute. And then the back. This back is a nice pink plate, and most of the people always say that papers in hand look so much better than on camera. So I apologize that the colors are not that bright to shown on video, but in your hand it looks amazing. So I really like this one, the pink with the white, so cute. And then we have a nice creme color background, and with these cupidos, I think. These little cupidos, so adorable. Beige gray tint I created, and also the flowers and everything, and the little birds and the hearts. and the bows. I love it. And then the back is a nice white pink one. Oh, matches perfect with my nails. I kept it plain this time because of the length and the white color, but oh my gosh, so this matches perfect. Alright, so this page has some words, of course, love, with all kind of every direction you can use it, up or this way, so it's easy to use. Love it. I just love it. And then of course we have some flowers. Again, the nice cream color background. And then you have these blue and pink little roses. Love this page. And the beige is also coming back. And the grungy edges. I love this page. And then the back we have some pink hearts. Oh, very, very nice. And the grungy edges comes back once in a while time. Absolutely stunning. And then this page, oh my gosh. Yeah, a new cut apart page with loads of quotes. You make my heart smile. Kisses sweeter than candy. Love is you and me. My heart beats for you. Love you always. The best thing to hold on into in life is each other. Love, I love this frame by the way. And you are my everything. And then these two small ones. You are my everything again, and I love you. And these are amazing to use when you're going to use a nice ribbon and then put this in the middle. That is amazing. I'm definitely going to use those, but I love it, love it, love it. So it's very, very sweet, everything. And then the back we have a nice pink, pink grungy background with white dots. Hope you can see this on camera. But as you can see, oh, very nice pink one. Love it. Then we have again a nice beige cream color background with letters. So yeah, a little bit to bring back a little bit of Valentine vibe, but it's very, very romantic. I love this, but you also can use it for other occasions, but I love it. And then this little pink flower ones, and here is also a pink flower. I love it, so cool. And then the back is, yeah, beige white background, but I love these pink flowers with crunchy edges and everything. Love it. Easy to be used. This direction, every direction you can use this. This is one of my favorite ones. It's very delicate with the pink flowers. It's so easy to be used. Love it. And it's a little lighter pink than this pink. so gorgeous. Love it. And then the back, another plate, a plate design, but then this pink is a little different, but oh, I just love it. Love it. Hope my camera is not blurring everything. Yep, I can see that my nail is nice, so that the design is also nice. Love this one, easy to be used. Then we go to the blue section. So we have this, yeah, it's I don't call this mint, I don't call it blue, it's kind of, yeah, blue mint, I don't know. I love it, absolutely love it. So here we have some hearts, calling with love in the inside. I hope my camera catches everything. So adorable, easy to be used. And then the back, we have again these cute little angels, cupidos, but then in blue, bluish, blue mintish. Love it. And then we have another cut apart page, and also some bigger ones, easy to be used. Love is you and me. You will always be my forever. My happily ever after, always love you. So you always can cut this out if you don't want to use a full tag like this one. You also can cut this out and use this separately. And then kisses sweeter than candy. Love this blue one with the blue flowers. Absolutely stunning. Oh, and then of course more words. Love, love you, you sparkle, beautiful, you and me, my sunshine, always, forever mine, miss you, memories. So I love these words, easy to be used. So cool. And then the back, a nice, yeah, it's not plate, but a nice bluish mintish paper with cute little flowers on it, so it's not completely plain. I don't like plain paper, so, but easy to be used. Love it. Then another bluish mintish. As you can see, this one is a little lighter. That's beautiful of it. Not to use every single time exactly the same color. And here we have nice big words love with the white heart in it. Love this one. Also some grungy edges. Cool, cool, cool. And then the back, another plate, but then with the blue and the mint together. Love it. So easy to be used. And it fits marvelous with the romantic touch of it to keep a plate in it. So to keep it a little low. Busy. Yeah, that is the word. Then, this is one of my favorite ones. Same as my background. I love this one. This was the first one that I saw, and I matches all the colors with this particular one. So we have the blue mintish background with the absolutely stunning pink flowers on it, and the lighter blue, the lighter white pink ones. I just love it. Loved it. Look at my nails. Fits marvelous. Sorry, I can't help myself. I just love it. And then the back. Oh my gosh! Yeah, I finally. I do not every paper pack exactly the same, but once in a while I do love to use strips, and with this one I could not resist because it's a very romantic theme, and then you can go wild with lovely edges, and but I didn't want to go a full page, but sometimes I could not choose which papers I want, so I added this beige one because this fits marvelous to cut out strips also, and this bluish with the white dots, so you still can use this also for cutting little strips. So it's absolutely everything is to be used. And then these strips, I hope I can show you, but they are so adorable. I love this one. This one is a little bit easier. And then you have these little hearts. And then this one, oh, is also one of my favorite. Here you have a nice heart. And this is the clock from the cover. And this comes back. And then we have the little mouses. And then this is very, very delicate, a little smaller. Love this image as well. And then continuing to the bottom. But oh my gosh, so sweet. I love it. Yeah. Hard to be choosing, I think. So then we have another cut apart page with lovely designs, like writing a letter. This fits marvelous, and you can cut out this piece to glue on a little picture. So cute. And here is a little typing machine. Here you have some letters. This you also can use for a nice frame for a little picture. This as well. So cute. Love it. Oh my gosh, you need to see these in your hands, guys. Adorable, if I may say so myself. And then the back, of course, I can't resist some stripes. So we have the blue stripe, very grungy at the back. So it's very, yeah, smoochy, milky. I really like it. And then we have a beige page that fits marvelous with all the bright colors to bring it a little bit down with all the pew big colors. So a nice beige background with again those love words in a little, yeah, beige gray color. I love it. So easy to be used on every page. And then the back. We have a nice bluish background with the white flowers. So everything comes a little bit back. but then in a different way. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you love it? I absolutely think this is marvelous. And I can't wait to start with this. So I hope you like my lovely sweetheart new paper collection. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. I hope to see you next time with my tutorial. So join me, have fun. Lovely sweetheart is coming up real soon. Bye bye.